In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board in Monday.com. This process is incredibly useful if you want to recreate existing workflows or templates without starting from scratch. By the end of this guide, you'll have an exact copy of your board ready to be modified to suit your needs. So, let's dive in. First, go to Monday.com and head over to your home screen. You'll want to ensure you're logged in and have access to the boards you're interested in duplicating. This step sets the stage and gets you ready to embark on this seamless duplication process. Once you're on the home page, you'll find a sidebar displaying all your existing boards. Here's where the first bit of action takes place. Now, locate the board you wish to duplicate. You want to be extra sure of your selection. Get a clear idea of why you're making a copy and what you intend to do with it. This clarity will guide your next steps. Once you've identified the right board, your task is to click on the three dots that appear next to it. This is often referred to as the More Options button, and it's where all the magic starts happening. Clicking here will reveal a variety of options that you can use to manage your board effectively. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Duplicate. Give that a click. Doing so will initiate the duplication process, letting you create a replica of your board. This step is crucial as it guarantees that your original board remains untouched and intact. Monday.com will then prompt you to input a new name for this duplicated board. Naming your board clearly and effectively is key, as it helps differentiate it from the original and keeps your workspace organized. Next, you're given the choice to decide on the structure of your duplicated board. Monday.com provides several structure options, allowing you to customize how the copy should look. Tailoring the structure at this stage will ensure the board meets your new project's requirements right from the get-go. Take your time with this and consider what configurations align best with your goals. And with that, you're done. You've now successfully duplicated a board in Monday.com. This copy is ready for you to tweak, revamp, and tailor to your specific needs. Whether you're managing recurring projects, onboarding new team members, or experimenting with new workflows, this new board can significantly enhance your productivity and efficiency. Remember, duplicating boards not only saves time, but also promotes consistency and flexibility, allowing for easy adaptation to changing project demands. Thanks for following along, and happy organizing.